ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜਸਟਿਨ ਟਰੂਡੋ ਨੇ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨਸ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ। ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਦੇ ਫਰੰਟ ਲਾਈਨ ਤੇ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਯੋਧਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਤਨਖਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਧਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਪਸਾਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਐਲਾਨ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਸੂਬਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਸਿਰੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁੱਲ $4 ਬਿਲੀਅਨ ਦਾ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ $3 ਬਿਲੀਅਨ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇਵੇਗੀ ਅਤੇ $1 ਬਿਲੀਅਨ ਸੂਬਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਅਤੇ ਟੈਰੀਟਰੀਜ਼ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਦੇਣਾ ਪਵੇਗਾ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਟਰੂਡੋ ਨੇ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਰੀਅਰਸ ਦੀ ਖੂਬ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ। ਜ਼ਿਕਰਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ontario ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ $4 ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਘੰਟੇ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤਨਖਾਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਧਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ।
Today I can announce that we have an agreement with all the provinces and territories to provide a wage top-up for essential workers, for Canadians who are being called to go to work every day, for Canadians who are providing us with essential services so we can continue to keep our families safe and healthy. Right now we're finalizing the details with the last provinces, and I want to underscore that this has been a truly collaborative effort. Premiers from across the country all agree that we need to support our essential workers, and I thank the premiers for the continued Team Canada approach. We're relying on these workers now more than ever, and we will be there to support them. It will be up to each province and territory to determine who exactly qualifies for this wage increase, but the bottom line is this. If you're risking your health to keep this country moving and you're making minimum wage, you deserve a raise. I want to close by noting that today, Buddhists in Canada and around the world will mark Vesak, their most important festival. While this year's celebrations will be a bit different, the Buddha's message of peace, selfless service, and compassion to those in need is more important than ever. I want to wish a happy and peaceful Vesak to all those celebrating. A terrible helicopter crash that claimed the lives of 6 armed forces members last week. Yesterday, I attended a ceremony in their honor. I was grateful to have an opportunity to pay my respects. I got to speak with mothers, fathers, and stepfathers, grandparents, friends, sons and daughters, fiancés, partners, and loved ones. All of them were heartbroken, but all of them were also immensely proud of the life of service chosen by their loved one, as are we all. We will never forget their service. They will live on in our hearts, and I know the thoughts of all Canadians are with the families and loved ones who are going through an incredibly difficult time. We stand with them, and we will continue to stand with them. As time and time again, members of the Canadian Armed Forces step up to help those in need, whether it be as a part of a NATO mission in Europe or in the wake of a natural disaster here in Canada. They're always there for us, eager to help, ready to serve, and this pandemic is no exception. When our government received requests for assistance from Ontario and Quebec, our men and women in uniform once again answered the call. In Ontario, 265 CAF members have now been deployed to 5 long-term care facilities. They're supporting our frontline workers, caring for our parents and grandparents, and bringing some comfort to their families. If you've lost a loved one in one of those facilities, or if you have a loved one that you haven't been able to visit for weeks, you're worried sick about what tomorrow will bring, and you hope that they're getting the care they deserve. Seeing our CAF members offer their help and talents during these uncertain times is a reassuring sight for many of these families. So I want to thank all of those who've been deployed and all the frontline workers who continue to work harder than ever to keep our seniors safe.
Bureau Report, Sanjha TV.